In this short video I'm going to look at multiband compression with you. Essentially it's a compressor split, multiple compressors with the frequency split on the input through to different compressors. So if we look down here at this crossover, this is a low pass, this green, so a filter, then we've got a band pass, and then we've got another filter here, and that's our high pass. Put those together and we could put a compressor on that one, a compressor on that one, and a compressor on that one. This is our crossover point. Notice there will be a little bit of a dip there. As you can think of, like, this is how speakers work as well. So if you've got a low, mid and high frequency speaker, there's a crossover on the input to divide the frequencies up so all the sounds go to the correct speaker. In this case, in Logic's compressor, as you can see, we've got sort of the split is determined here. You can pick these up and move them about. I'm going to look at this with Reaper's compressor. So let's flip over to Reaper now. So I'm in Reaper and I've summed this synth, these synth parts here. Okay, hopefully you can hear that. So the synth parts are running through this sum, this bus essentially, and on this I've applied this multi-band compressor. So it's not doing anything at the moment. We can just see 1, 2, 3, 4 bands until I start to control them. Until I start to make an adjustment here. So as I bring this down, I'm applying threshold, and this blue part's also an auto makeup gain. So it will be applying more based on the ratio here. And this is automatically gaining. So that's probably quite a good idea for what I'm trying to do at the moment. I can change the cutoff point, or your crossover point between these two bands. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring out some of the mid part of the sound. I'm going to on purpose not to deal with the low end too much. I want this mid range to come through more for when the drums kick in. Fast forward it on a bit.
Just remember.
I need to play around with these crossover points, I think, a bit more. Have a go. You don't need to have auto makeup on. You also might want to change your ratios, but the same different controls for the same controls for a normal compressor are here. Your attack, your release, and is it detecting RMS or more peak? So effectively, you can use these to work with each band. You can solo bands as well, so if you want to figure out what's happening, let's just go to 1. Let's just here you can home in on the individual parts if you want. Cool, okay.